If your domain privacy is about to expire on Namecheap, this video will show you exactly how to manually renew it step by step. Keeping your domain privacy active is important because it helps protect your personal contact details from showing in public WHOIS records, which means better privacy and a more secure domain ownership experience. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process in a simple way so you can renew your expiring domain privacy without confusion. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password connected to your domain. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Expiring tab. This section is designed to show you products and services that are coming up for renewal, so it's the best place to start when you want to catch something before it expires. After that, click on Products. This will take you to the list of eligible items connected to your account, including domains and any additional services attached to them. Now scroll through the list and find a domain whose domain privacy service is about to expire. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you've found it, look for the option to add the domain privacy service to your cart. This is the step that starts the renewal process for your privacy protection. After adding it, move to Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, carefully review everything before you pay. Double-check the domain name, the privacy service, the renewal period, and the total amount so you know everything is correct. This part is important because it helps you avoid renewing the wrong item or missing any details. If everything looks good, confirm the order details and then complete the renewal. Once the payment goes through, your domain privacy service should be extended, helping keep your information protected for another term. That's it. You've now manually renewed expiring domain privacy with Namecheap. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it can save you from losing an important privacy feature on your domain. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.